Hi again! One of the most powerful things about an R Markdown file is that you can convert it to different output types to create shareable reports. We've been focusing on HTML documents, but there are other options we can explore. Let's start by opening our earlier report. We created this report as a learning document to help you think through your code and analysis. For this video, imagine it's a report you need to share with stakeholders. The file is currently in the .rmd format, but as we've shown, it can be converted using the Knit button. The Knit drop-down menu includes three main options: HTML, PDF, and a Word document. You can use Knit to convert your file to any of these types whenever you want, but it's good practice to wait to convert to a PDF or Word doc. Instead, stick with HTML while you're working. HTML doesn't have page breaks, so you can focus on generating content for your report and not its appearance. The Knit button isn't the only option for converting your file. The YAML can be edited to change your metadata or incorporate more details. For example, we'll change our output in this file to PDF. When we click the Knit button to render the file and run the code, the output's in a PDF format. So you know how changing the metadata can have an effect on the whole report. And if you need to create a certain type of document over and over, or if you want to customize the appearance of your final report, you can create a template. If it's a monthly or annual report that you're creating for stakeholders, you can just run one line of code to update your data, and your report's ready. We won't cover creating a template here, but it's something you might want to learn more about on your own as you get more experience in R. We've now explored a big part of R Markdown and R documentation. We've explained what R Markdown is and how to use it in RStudio to create .rmd files. We've checked out the structure of these files and how you can format them to make reports. We've shown you what code chunks are and how to include them in your documentation. And we've shown you how to take all of that analysis, plus your explanation of that analysis, and transform it from a .rmd file into a report that you can use as a learning document or share with stakeholders. It's a great way to wrap up the data analytics process in R and RStudio. And it's nearly time for you to wrap things up in this program. But if you want to review any concepts or practice some more in RStudio, feel free to rewatch the videos anytime for some extra help. See you soon!